To remove Temu minimum purchase limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can remove Temu minimum purchase limit in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Temu application on your device. And once it's loaded, tap on the U icon at the bottom center of the screen. After that, head to the top right corner of the screen and tap on support option. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on contact us, and this will open up a chat window where you can send message to their support team. Now in the message field, you simply type remove checkout limits, and after you send this, you will be presented with two options. You simply need to select the option that says no, I still want to remove the order limit, and this will take you to the next step. Then see another option pop up for remove the restriction. You simply need to tap on that and just follow the on-screen instructions. It's super simple. And after that, your minimum purchase limit will be removed. But you still have problem after that, you can simply type these words I have written on the screen. After that, you will receive a notification confirming that the restriction had been removed. And now you are all set to proceed to checkout. And if you got a large order, you will be able to check out without any issue. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove Temu minimum purchase limit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.